All right, doing a quick sound test on the AirPods. Wearing my AirPods, I'm probably about 8 to 10 feet away from the camera right now. Um, yeah, maybe 7 to 8 feet. Um, gonna move to another room here. Gonna walk away a little bit, probably normal distance that I'd get on my AirPods. Um, Moving so the base camera can't really pick it up very well. I'm gonna walk around a little bit. Walk back into frame, look back at the camera, see what's going on, see if you can hear me any better. I'm talking at a really low volume, trying to see if there's any tests. I'm going to get really close to the camera, really close to the camera, and I'm going to take my AirPods off while recording and see what happens. See if we switch to the microphone. So it seems the camera shut off when I put my AirPods back into the case and close the case, put it into my pocket. I don't know where the audio cut. I guess I'll find out when I look at this video. Um, but I'm talking about the same volume, about the same distance. Obviously, if I walk back into this other room here, I'm expecting to not be able to talk. Come back into the room here and see. I would expect a big gap in the audio there when I walked into that other room. Now I get closer to the camera, and I'm going to stop.